it is a hot and steamy day here, but because I am using my garage for so many projects at the moment, I need to maximize space. So today I've got my son here with me and we're going to wall mount his bike in the garage. Now you can go to hardwares or bike shops and get yourself proper bike hooks. I'm just using what's on hand today because we're meant to be staying home as much as possible with COVID going on. So I've got myself just a garden power tool hook. Any kind of hook like this will work, but nice and close to the external garage door so that he can grab it without going past the vehicle or the other projects that I have going on. So the first thing that I need to do is I need to use a stud finder to find and mark the positions of the studs in the wall, because I think a bike might be too heavy just to drill into plaster itself. As I've mentioned in previous videos, like wall mounting TVs or shelves, a stud finder is a really helpful tool to have in order to find where the timber is behind the plasterboard. How you use these is usually there's a button on the side and you press it, and as you move along the wall, when it senses that there's a piece of timber on the inside, the lights will light up. You can see it doing it with my hand just there. Okay? And then you can mark the position of your stud. I've marked where a stud is, all I'm going to do is hold up my bracket and mark the drill points with a pencil, and then I'm going to use a really thin drill bit just to act as a guide hole, but it will also see if there actually is a stud behind the wall there. If it hits nothing, then I have detected it incorrectly and I need to find another position. If it's harder to drill into, you know that there's timber behind the wall, and that's a perfect spot. So while I'm at it, I'm going to do a little bit more garage organisation. I've also got another hook which I'm going to use to hang my broom, and I'm going to use this for a second purpose, which is to hang a scooter. So the only problem with this is because the holes are placed widely apart and my timber beam actually is going to fall in the middle of this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to screw these into the plasterboard with the supplied screws, but I'm also going to add an additional screw in the middle to support the weight of the scooter. When I'm just using them for the broom, I will not need to do that. So as I did previously, I've used the stud finder. I've found that the stud is here. I've held this up and I've marked the position of the screw holes, so now all I have to do is drill it all together.